Hello, guys. I want to update you on a platform enhancement, something that impacts sales. So, I've come across a number of customers and roles lately where we want to be able to create simulation scenarios that are very specific in their answers. So, for example, look at this one here. It's a .NET software development simulation. But this third game here, you've got a challenge where you're given some code and you have to actually modify it. Now, this is the kind of thing where there's really one answer that is the right answer. So, in addition to the skills analysis, we also want to be able to target the exact response and make sure that the players, the candidates, are actually matching that response. So now we're able to do that. We've got this little match exact response option. If you click on the question mark, it gives you a little bit of an explanation. Is this the only correct response? Set this to on to match for the exact response that you're looking for here. And so we can click this and we can turn it on. Then you can go ahead and save the simulation as normal, and it'll actually action that into the analysis. So not only will it look for skills, but if someone doesn't actually get that exact benchmark, then they'll essentially not win the game. So this isn't always something you need. A lot of the time you want open-ended solutions. There are many possible solutions to a challenge. But this does allow us to do the other type of thing, which is very good for things like technical code reviews, making sure that people understand and can do code. That's the first use case. So this is a significant enhancement which allows us to open that up. Last comment, I think this is really interesting in the way it can deal with AI usage too, because if you set the benchmark to something that is unusual and never generated by AI, then players who use AI are never going to be able to get to that benchmark. So that's just another note. I think that's pretty interesting. All right, I'll leave it there. Thanks.